Here, as a short-term toxicity, Amaranthaspirids and also Caprel to toxicity study of the rats. Here we can choose male 3, female 3. Amaranthaspirids 2000 mg per kg body weight of the rat. Here also Caprel 40 mg, 400 mg cage weight of the rats. We tested this for 14 days. Again, we can reveal that there is no other abnormalities occurred. And also here necroscopy. Necroscopy means examining of the myocardial tissue. There is no necropsy appeared. No conversion, no abnormalities are observed in the original transfer. This is the heart weight to the body weight ratio. If the heart weight is more, then myocardial infarction may be appeared. If the normal weight of the heart is there is here we compare normal compound with the Amaranthaspirids. This is my compound. This is the compound as I said presented in the plant, but using artificially available compound, and tocoferol is nothing but vitamin E. It is useful to the repair of the tissue. Repair of the tissue of the animal. So here this considered P level is less than 0.0. This is most important. That's why choosing showing that normal control and Amaranthaspirids are nearly to the normal fixed. This is objective one. Conclude that Amaranthaspirids contains secondary metabolites, 11 compounds as I said, and was identified and established. Only Caprel will make it and used for the important step. Here we start with the drug. Here we use 2000 in the acute oral toxicity. Here we convert that to 50 mg per kg body weight of the rats. And Caprel here also changed. 50 mg per the kg body weight was safe. Hence the dose was set for the evaluation of cardiovascular, but against the ISO into the cardiovascular in a rat model. In the Amaranthaspirids lethal infection, Caprel got tested for the acute chart toxicity in albumin rats showing that there is no lethality, there is no any death. I also explain this. To evaluate to assess the cardioprotective efficacy of the Amaranthaspirids metabolic extraction and its bioeffective against to alpha-cardinal induced cardiovascularity by assessing biomarkers, its effect on cardiac biomarkers. That is the enzymes SGOT, SGPT, LDH, and CKMB, which is cardiotropin, and glycogen, homocysteine, and histopathological studies. I just said earlier, we kept the total rats into this is the experiment design of the animal. Group 1 is normal rats without any giving food is giving common to every group. 4 groups total feeding is same. Food material giving to the rats is same. But here second one is by myocardial infarction is induced. So third one is myocardial induced to rats plus Amaranthaspirids lethal extraction we are. Fourth one is myocardial infarction plus Caprel. Fifth one is myocardial infarction plus alpha tocoferol. For total 30 days, we given this experimental design going on. And groups of after 30 days, groups 3 to 5 received oral pre-treatment, as I told using plastic pipe, through the intragastric tube with the corresponding medication. And medication means Caprel or alpha tocoferol or Amaranthaspirids lethal extraction. Then on 31st and 32nd of the day, the rats are dosed days. Rats in group second to third were subcutaneously injected, as I said by photography in the lab. This is how much it is suitable. Suitable. Only 20 mg for 100 gram of the body weight of the rat. In single dose.
That is standard.
That is the standard. That is standard. Here, all of the parameters are carried out to this objective. Hemodynamic and vascular responsiveness measurements. Measurement of the ratio of the heart weight to body weight. Biochemical analysis of all biomarkers, HGOT, HGPT, and LDH, CKMP, cardiac troponin, and fibrinogen. And analysis of cardiac lipid metabolic markers. Lipid metabolic markers like total cholesterol, total triglycerides, LDL, total density of the lipoproteins, intensity of the lipoproteins, again estimated by the standard product. Biochemical analysis. After 30 days measurement on 31st day, blood was calculated arbitrarily into tubes by know the level of the enzymes or biomarkers in the blood. Serum glutamic oxaloacetic transaminase, serum glutamate pyruvate transaminase, lactate dehydrogenase, creatine kinase, myocardial bond, cardiac troponin, homocysteine. Above cardiac markers are assessed using corresponding commercial available research or standard protocol used. Histopathological study of the heart. Blood was collected arbitrarily as I said. Tips containing major organs are assessed. Here, liver and heart, kidneys, spleen, lungs, and every major organs are assessed. This is the using for the organ coefficient gram per 100 gram equivalent to this is the weight. This is the weight and one is the time. Tissues was fixed 10% formaldehyde, and then samples were graded alcohol. After that, sample was emptied in bags. Samples were queued transversely into 5 nanometer sections. Serial sections were stained with the immunoglobulin, eosin, staining it available in the market and standard product. This is the effect of the temporal and anthalogenic to assess the magnetic graphical method. Here it is HGOT. This is the A showing HGOT. Normal control